Hello everyone and welcome to this Ubersuggest review. Can it really boost your SEO? In the online space today, SEO is king. But with so many tools out there, it's tough to know which ones are worth your time and money. Today we're taking a deep dive into Ubersuggest to see if it measures up. Can it really boost your SEO? Let's find out. Before we dive in, if you haven't signed up for Ubersuggest yet, grab the link in the description and create your account. So let's get started. Ubersuggest, created by Neil Patel, is an all-in-one SEO tool designed to help you improve your website search engine rankings. It offers a wide range of features from keyword research and competitor analysis to site audits and backlink tracking. Essentially, it aims to give you the insights you need to optimize your content and attract more organic traffic. Let's start with keyword research. This is the foundation of any good SEO strategy. Ubersuggest provides a wealth of keyword data, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and related keywords. What's cool is that it also shows you your content ideas based on your target keywords. This is a huge time saver and can help you generate content that resonates with your audience and ranks well in search results. Competitor analysis. Ubersuggest also excels at competitor analysis. You can see which keywords your competitors are ranking for, their top performing pages, and their backlink profile. This information is gold. You can use it to identify opportunities to outrank them, discover new content ideas, and even find potential link building partners. Knowing what your competition is doing is half the battle in SEO. Site audit. Another powerful feature of Ubersuggest is its site audit tool. It crawls your website and identifies technical SEO issues that could be hurting your rankings, such as broken links, slow loading times, and missing meta descriptions. These are things that can easily slip through the cracks, but Ubersuggest makes it easy to find and fix them. A healthy website is a happy website, and you surely will love that. Backlink analysis. Backlinks are still a crucial ranking factor, and Ubersuggest helps you analyze your backlink profile and find new link building opportunities. You can see who's linking to you, the quality of those links, and even get suggestions for new backlinks based on your competitors' profiles. Building high-quality backlinks can be a game changer for your SEO. Now, content ideas and SEO training. Beyond the core features, Ubersuggest offers content ideas based on trending topics and competitor analysis. This can be a lifesaver when you're struggling to come up with fresh content. Plus, they have a bunch of free SEO training resources available, which is awesome for beginners and those looking to level up their skills. And now to pricing. Ubersuggest offers a free plan with limited features, which is great for getting a taste of the tool. They also have plans starting at $20 per month, which give you access to more data and features. Compared to the other SEO tools on the market, Ubersuggest is considered more affordable, especially considering the value it provides. So, is it worth it? Can Ubersuggest really boost your SEO? Absolutely. It provides the data and insights you need to improve your website rankings. Your website rankings attract more organic traffic and ultimately grow your business. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned SEO pro, Ubersuggest is a valuable tool to have in your arsenal. It's not a silver bullet, but it gives you the power to make data-driven decisions and optimize your website for success. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to sign up with Ubersuggest in the description below and start your free trial on Ubersuggest. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.